Alas, another video came. But today some kind of combination should be there. Something made of chicken. Something that is orange in color. It's a weird combination, I have no point to say. Dad, do you know anything that is made of these chicken and orange in color?
Tandoori chicken?
Wow. I am mind blown. Let's start making it then, Dad.
Yes, today I will going to prepare pan-fried tandoori chicken. It's exactly same as tandoori chicken, but I will show you step by step.
And definitely it's orange in color.
Sure. The ingredients for the tandoori chickens are 2 pieces of chicken legs, lemon or lime, salt, vegetable oil, unsalted butter, fresh yogurt, ginger, green chilli, garlic paste, garam masala powder, Kashmiri red chilli powder, turmeric powder, fenugreek leaves or methi leaves, crushed black pepper, cumin seed powder. Now I will show you how to marinate a proper tandoori chicken. Very simple recipe, right? First take 2 leg of chicken. Just need to mark 5 times each side. Okay, let's come with me. You can see that I already washed the chicken and slit 5 times each side. This is a red food color. It's an optional. Really, if you want, you can add it. If you don't want to add, you can omit. It's not at all problem, right? I'm going to add because I need a little nice color of the tandoori chicken. That's why. Now I am making marination for the chicken. First, you have to squeeze the lemon like this. Then you have to add Kashmiri red chilli powder and cumin powder, crushed black pepper and turmeric powder, garam masala powder, ginger garlic green chilli paste, kasturi methi dry, fresh yogurt 2 spoon and salt half spoon of red food color. Then mix all the ingredients together to make a fine paste like this. The marination ready now, chicken also ready. So now I'm going to show you how to marinate the chicken properly. Like this. You have to marinate properly. The chicken marination almost finished. Now I'm going to keep in the fridge at least 2 hours. Adesh,
Yep.
can you please take out the tandoori chicken from the fridge?
Actually, I was going to take it out because I felt like the time was right. And you know how? Because this is really cold.
Yeah, you know that how long I am keeping in the fridge?
No.
Don't know? Exactly 2 hours now.
Oh no, that means my hands are as cold as ice.
Yes, my frying pan almost ready. Now I am going to add vegetable oil 1 spoon and butter.
That must be some exact measurement, Dad, I must say.
Yes.
Guys, just take a moment to look at the butter. Oh, satisfaction, can you imagine? What's next?
Now I am going to add the chicken. Always place the chicken like that, okay?
Now this is definitely orange color and is chicken. So Dad, I agree with you very much.
You know that we have to keep the chicken at least 4 minutes, exactly like this.
Now what's next?
Now I'm going to turn the chicken into other side. See the color?
Nice.
Wow, I really like this color. Tandoori chicken's ready now. So meantime, I am going to make paratha for tandoori chicken. Like this. Paratha also ready now.
Ooh, looks really delicious.
Yeah, this chicken I cooked around 13 minutes exactly. Right now, our paratha ready. Also, our chicken ready. So now I'll show you how to plate the tandoori chicken. Always plate chicken like that. On. Also ready.
Yay, it's ready. It's tasting time.
Okay, go ahead.
Now, let me see. Here's a bite. Really nice. You know what?
Yeah.
I'm really impressed.
Okay.
Now look here. In the beginning of the video, I told something that contains chicken and is orange in color. Not just it's chicken and orange in color. It tastes really good, Dad. So if you could make this every day for me to be really nice, you know.
It's not a problem. You do it every day.
Yeah, it's really good, really.
Okay, I will marinate the chicken and you can ask your mommy to prepare every day. It's no problem.
Ooh.
Okay, the good thing, no need oven.
Yeah.
Actually, I cook the chicken in the pan fried one. But make sure 13 to 40 minutes is exactly enough. But make sure you need to reduce the flame so that your chicken properly cooked and nice flavor and taste as well.
You saw me give a comment to my dad. So can you? You didn't know that? Obviously it's true. Give a comment in the comment section below and then I'll reply to a bunch of you, definitely. And make sure to like this video, share to all your friends so even they can have a taste of the dish. Subscribe to our channel. But don't forget, you must make this at your home because you will like it. That you will make it every day.
Okay, I'm waiting for your comments.
Yeah, so we'll see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.